Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Master your money with these simple budgeting tricks. Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering my money using some simple but powerful budgeting tricks. Can I stick to my plan and transform my finances? Let's find out. Taking control of your finances can feel overwhelming, especially if you're dealing with debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or just unsure where your money is going. But trust me, it's a crucial step toward achieving financial stability and building the life you want. When you have a clear picture of where your money is going every month, it's like flipping on a light switch in a dark room. Suddenly, you're not just reacting, you're making informed, confident decisions. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. It's your financial roadmap, your blueprint for success. Let's face it, budgeting can be tough. And if you've ever tried to set a budget before, you probably know exactly what I mean. One of the biggest hurdles is overspending. We're all human. It's easy to get caught up in the moment, especially when online shopping or spontaneous nights out are just a tap away. And then there's the issue of not tracking our expenses. You might think you're doing okay, but then you check your bank account and wonder where all your money went. It's amazing how those $5 coffee runs or quick takeout dinners add up over time. Without tracking, it's impossible to understand our habits and make real changes. Another common challenge? Lack of discipline. Most people start with good intentions. Maybe they set up a spreadsheet or download a budgeting app. But after a week or two, things start to slip. Maybe you forget to log a transaction, or you blow your food budget during a weekend out. Slowly, the plan unravels. Let's not forget about unexpected expenses either. You're cruising along with your budget, and then boom, your car needs repairs, your dog needs an emergency vet visit, or your job cuts back your hours. These surprises can derail your finances and knock you off track if you're not prepared. But here's the good news. There are simple, effective budgeting tricks that can help you avoid these pitfalls and actually stick to your plan. Simple budgeting tricks that actually work. Let's dive into some of the most powerful yet beginner-friendly budgeting strategies you can use to take control of your money today. The 50-30-20 rule of the easiest budgeting methods to get started with is the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs. This includes housing, utilities, groceries, insurance, and transportation. 30% goes to wants, like entertainment, dining out, shopping, hobbies, or subscriptions. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. This includes your emergency fund, retirement contributions, and extra debt payments. This method is simple, flexible, and works well whether you're single, have a family, or are trying to pay off student loans. You can tweak the percentages depending on your situation, but this is a solid framework to start building from. Budgeting doesn't have to mean spreadsheets and calculators. There are dozens of apps that automate the process for you. Some popular ones include Mint, connects to your bank accounts and categorizes spending. You Need a Budget, YNAB, helps you assign every dollar a job. Every Dollar, created by Dave Ramsey. It's great for zero-based budgeting. These tools make it easy to track expenses, spot overspending, and set financial goals. Plus, many have reminders, alerts, and charts that help you stay motivated. This is your financial safety net. An emergency fund is a dedicated savings account that you only use for true emergencies, car repairs, job loss, medical bills, etc. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This may sound like a lot, but you can start small. Begin with a goal of $500, then work your way up. Every little bit helps. With an emergency fund in place, you won't have to rely on credit cards or payday loans when life throws a curveball. Don't just say, I want to save money. Be specific. Try, I want to save $1,000 in 3 months for my emergency fund. Or, I want to pay off my $2,000 credit card balance in 6 months. Clear goals help you stay focused and motivated. You can even break big goals into smaller milestones to celebrate your progress along the way. This means setting aside savings right when you get paid, before you spend on anything else. Automate transfers into a savings account or investment account. If you wait until the end of the month to see what's left, chances are it'll already be gone. Real-life inspiration. Sarah's story. Let me share a story that really inspires me. Meet Sarah. She's a 30-year-old marketing specialist. On paper, she had it all. A good job, an apartment downtown, a nice car. But behind the scenes, she was living paycheck to paycheck. Her credit cards were maxed out. She had no savings, and every financial bump felt like a disaster. One day, after a declined card at the grocery store, She decided enough was enough. She took control of her finances by applying the exact tricks we've talked about. She started with the 50-30-20 rule, then downloaded a budgeting app to track every dollar. She cut back on eating out, canceled unused subscriptions, and focused on paying off debt little by little. The biggest change? She built an emergency fund, starting with $200, then growing it steadily. Within a year, Sarah had paid off $8,000 in debt, saved $5,000, and finally felt in control of her money. But the real win? She used her financial stability to launch her own marketing business. Today she works from home, travels often, and is fully self-employed. That transformation started with a decision to master her money. As you start your budgeting journey, be mindful of these common mistakes. Being too strict. Don't cut all fun from your budget. Leave room for enjoyment so you're more likely to stick to it. Not reviewing your budget. Your life changes and so should your budget. Review it monthly and adjust as needed. Forgetting irregular expenses. Things like annual insurance premiums, holidays, or back-to-school costs. Plan for these in advance. Budgeting based on gross income. Always budget using your net income, what you take home after taxes and deductions. Final thoughts. Mastering your money doesn't require a financial degree or a six-figure salary. It starts with awareness, a plan, and small, consistent actions. Budgeting helps you take control of your future and unlocks opportunities you may not even see yet. Here's a quick recap of what we covered. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a foundational budgeting strategy. Track your spending with budgeting apps. Build an emergency fund to handle life's surprises. Set specific goals and automate your savings. Learn from real stories like Sarah's to stay motivated. So, are you ready to take on the challenge of mastering your money? Let me know your biggest budgeting win or struggle in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on saving, budgeting, and achieving financial freedom. Your support helps us grow and keep bringing you helpful content every week. Also, be sure to check out my related videos on saving, investing, and side hustles to keep building your financial future, one smart move at a time. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Likes, comments, subscriptions.